welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fehinbeauty again. So today I'm showing the transmission. Actually, for this video there has been a full process where I relaxed the dread and before I started using it. So this video is mainly for like bringing everything together at home. So guys, I did go into Mega Growth Relaxer as shown in the previous video I uploaded, and yes, I did let it sit for hours. So the relaxer stayed for like almost 3 hours before I washed it, and it did help. It relieved it a little, but it wasn't 100% relaxed. So guys, I only showed the process where we applied the relaxer in the previous video. So for this video, guys, it's the full thing. So I'm going into a mixture of coconut oil and water. This is just to help reduce the breakage of my hair. So guys, obviously when you are unlocking your hair, my dread lasted me for 2 years and 3 months, so it is obvious that it is going to come off. Like I had like half of my hair, more than half of my hair came off, but it's okay. I still had close to half of it left, which was painful. So guys, I'm washing the hair. So first of all, I did wash it with the gloves so that my hands won't get into the relaxer. Since I used the gloves throughout the application, I washed it with it so that the relaxer won't touch my hand. So please, you need to wash very well. So I went into Mega Growth shampoo. I used the shampoo that came with the relaxer. So this is what it looks like, and it is very, very funny. Guys, in this video I used 2 different relaxers because at the end of the day, to be honest, Mega Growth doesn't really do it for my hair, and I couldn't find the Mega Growth Super Relax. I could only find Mega Growth Regular Relax, and Regular Relax is usually not it for my hair. It is usually just like me applying Epi, which is the reason I had to wait for like over 2 hours. So I dipped my hair in the bowl to like help the relaxer or the soap at the tip of my hair go. Guys, I just went into towel dry. I also went into my hand dryers to dry the hair, but guys, I did not film like some parts of the hair process. Also, I did not film most parts of the hair process. So guys, to be honest, this is day 7 of me losing the hair. I'm going to try and look for day 1 to 6. Okay, I did not record like fully every day because I was just like, so, but this actually shows the same way I'm using every other one. So because of the relaxer, it was easier. Just had to like lose, comb, lose, comb. So guys, for my hair not to lock itself again, see, I injured myself, but quick tip for in case you injure yourself while losing your hair or any kind of cuts, and you need like it to not swell up and all, the first aid is to get it on hot flame. So guys, if you notice, I did not put it on the flame, I just put it close to the flame. I needed the heat so it could like seal up. So guys, back to the hair. I weaved if I lose a little, I would wave it so that it will not go back to the locked form, because I still had activators and dread gel. Okay, so I already washed it off, but something that has been there for like 2 years and it was going back, so I just weaved it. If you look at the weaves that I had done for like days, it was looking like I locked my hair. So guys, I'm really sorry. The second part of me relaxing my hair, I did not film it. My phone died. I had a flat battery, and since I was at the salon, I couldn't film it. I'm really sorry, but this is the outcome of after I relaxed my hair. So the colorants I used made use of Dark and Lovely Super. So it came in with treatments. It came in with 1B shampoo, milk, conditioner, and all. So, but this is what it looks like after I relaxed it. So guys, I'm going into this dye. I think it's Yanni hair dye. So it's a natural hair dye. It is people use it for lali to paint their hands and all, do temporary and tattoos and all, but it is a natural hair dye and it's cheap. So guys, it is similar to me relaxing my hair. I did not film while I was washing. I'm sorry about that too. So most of this is because I went to a salon at the end of the day, so I could be more comfortable. So guys, this is the end product of my hair. Oh, I said end product. This is the end result of my hair. It looks like nothing ever happened to it. So I'm also going to add the hair that fell off. I'm just combing it. I'm combing it off. Like, this is the second day after I dyed it. I already dyed it. I said I was going to set the hair or straighten it, but I did not. And for some reason, it looks straightened. So I just love the outcome. So guys, this is the hair that fell off at the end of the day. It's kind of much, but then it's fine. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like the video, please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Also subscribe. Thank you.